The trouble code DF038 indicates that the ECU in your vehicle has detected serious anomalies in one or more systems, and the car believes that either the ECU is faulty or has a bad connection. However, in about half of the cases with this code, I see that problems with spark plugs or glow plugs are the cause. In older Renault engines, there was a big common issue with the phaser seal, which started leaking directly into the head, and this caused oil contamination in the first and second cylinders, spark plugs and coils. This code was one of the most common indicators of such a problem. Also, in more modern engines, faulty spark plugs with bad isolators can cause this DF038 code, so probably the first thing to try is to replace the plugs. Also, it would be nice to make sure that the connectors in the ECU sit tight and don't look corroded or broken, but this is not a common issue at all. Other than that, this problem may actually be connected with other electrical faults. To detect what's causing it, you will need a good scanner to read the codes in various control modules and see what other issues you have. Also, when the DF038 code is active, your vehicle may go into the limp home mode and limit the RPMs of the engine, as well as raise the idle RPMs. So this is just a protection mode, so no need to stop the vehicle, but driving like that for a long time is not a good idea.